we're going to do a Cat 6 crystal. First off, score it. Try to go all the way around without cutting yourself, and crack it and pull. Cut off the string. Cut off this. And I always like to put the green on the right or on the left. Brown on the right. Split the blue up. Split the orange up. I noticed the length that I used, a little over an inch. And straighten them out is the best idea. I'm doing the T568A Canadian code for this pinout. Now the green, split it up, unravel it, and it goes white, green, then green, and I like to straighten them as I go. And then I usually do this, seems to help, pushing there and straightening. And then finally the brown. Unravel it, straighten, and seat it next to there. That would be pin 7. And pin 8. Okay, we've got white, green, green, white, orange, blue, white, blue, orange, white, brown, brown. Now, we're gonna use right here to trim it. And then I find seating it in here can be tricky. Pushing down a little bit so it gets in those channels, and then all the way through. And sometimes that conductor with the insulator will get stuck. That's pretty good. I'll go through here. And you're done.